This is Julio Alvarez, and in this video I want to share with you the results of our scalping strategies in yesterday's market. Click the subscribe button below so that you can be notified when I have more content that is helpful to your investment strategies. And click the notification bell so that you can be notified right away when I release that content. Watch the video until the end so that you can fully see the results of our strategies and how you can obtain them. You can also find the link to get our Pro Scalpers strategies in the description below. Okay, so let's analyze our first strategy, which is for Bitcoin. We're using the BTC M20 symbol, Franco Classic, with a break size of 5 and 1 day back. So let's analyze the strategy performance report for yesterday. Okay, we had a total net profit of $1,025 with a gross profit of $1,225 and a gross loss of $200. We had a total number of trades of 54 for a percent profitable of 75.93%, 41 winning trades, 6 losing trades, and 7 even trades. An average trade net profit of $18.98, an average winning trade of $29.88, and an average losing trade of $33.33. This is a trades list. All the trades done by our strategy yesterday to get to this net profit. Now let's analyze our Nasdaq futures strategy. We're using the NQM20 symbol with a Renko Classic with a break size of 10 and 1 day back. This is our strategy performance report. Strategy yesterday is $15,490 with 60 cents. Gross profit of $45,062, so a gross loss of $29,571 with 60 cents. Total number of trades of 206 for a percent profitable of 34.95%, 72 winning trades, and 134 losing trades. An average trade net profit of $75.20, an average winning trade of $625.86, an average losing trade of $220 with 68 cents. Here are all the trades list to finally get to this net profit. $15,490 with 60 cents. Now let's analyze our Dow Jones futures strategy. Symbol we're using is YMM20 Renko Classic with a break size of 25, 1 day back. Our strategy performance report, total net profit of $7,578 with 60 cents, gross profit of $39,000 $329 and a gross loss of $31,750 loss with 4 cents. Total number of trades 336 for a percent profitable of 34.23%, 115 winning trades and 221 losing trades. For an average trade net profit of $22.56, an average winning trade of $341.99, and an average losing trade of $143.67. Here's a detail of all the trades list done by our strategy to get this net profit. This is our S&P 500 strategy. ESM20 is a symbol, a Pinko Classic with a brick size of 5 and they bank. So the strategy did yesterday $7,638.60, gross profit of $10,311.60, and a gross loss of $2,573. Total number of trades 36%, profitable 44.44, 16 winning trades and 20 losing trades. The average trade net profit of $212 with 18 cents, and an average winning trade $638.23, and an average losing trade of $120.65. Here's the detail of the trade list. Finally, get to this net profit in the day. Okay, this is our Russell future strategy. The symbol we're using is R2YM20 with a Renko Classic in a brick size of 1 and a 1 day back. Let's analyze the strategy performance report. As you can see, the strategy did yesterday $14,664 with 80 cents, and a gross profit of $21,680 with 80 cents, and a gross loss of $7,016. Total number of trades was 348 for a percent profitable of 38.22%, with 133 winning trades and 215 losing trades. For an average trade net profit of $42.14, an average winning trade of $163 with 1 cent, and an average losing trade of $32.63. So here is the detail of all the trades list. Then by the strategy yesterday to get to this final net profit of $14,664.80 in 1 day, all done automatically by our strategy. And finally, let's analyze our forex USD MXN strategy. The symbol we're using is USD MXN Franco Classic with a break size of 0.001 one day back. This is our performance report. As you can see, the strategy yesterday, $41,421 with 91 cents. A gross profit of $57,681 with 71 cents. And a gross loss of $16,259 with 80 cents. The total number of trades done by the strategy was 13,435 for a percent profitable of 33.74%, and 9,907 winning trades, and 2,434 losing trades. An average trade net profit of $3.08, an average winning trade of $5.82, an average losing trade of $6.68. This is a complete trades list. The trades done by our strategy to finally get to this profit. This is a summary of the results of all of our strategies. Remember to subscribe to our email list at proscalpers.com. If you want to make this kind of money, go to proscalpers.com/buy and select your strategy. Then email your PayPal transaction ID to admin@proscalpers.com so I can send you the strategy. Click the subscribe button below so that you can be notified when I have more videos. This has been Julio Alvarez, and as always, thank you for watching.